Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete an asset group in a Performance Max campaign. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead over to ads.google.com. And once you're logged in, go ahead over to the left panel and click on campaigns. In here, click on asset groups. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I have two asset groups. Now, to delete one, it is actually pretty easy. You have this icon right here, which says enabled. All right. Go ahead and click on it. There will be a drop down. Just click on it. As you can see, we have enable, pause, and remove. Okay. Just click on remove and there will be a prompt. It says here, once an asset group is removed, it can't be re-enabled. Okay. If you're really sure, just go ahead and hit on confirm and wait for it to load. And once done, it is gone. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.